CC1, Jamuna sent it. So when I sent her a message, she didn't reply about the theme of the day. So I'm assuming we come here with an objective, right? We want to improve certain aspects of our communication. So I'm sure when she wins the ribbon for today, that would make her day. So I request Priyanka Bhatt, her evaluator, to read the CC1 objectives.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, Jamuna is giving her first speech as a Toastmaster. The objectives of CC1 is to begin speaking in front of an audience and also to discover the speaking skills that you already have. So all the best, Jamuna. Timer, it's 4 to 6 minutes.
Jamuna Sindhu, my best friend. My best friend.
I'm Jamuna. I'm a homemaker. I have done my engineering. I'm blessed with one daughter. I'm learning, every day I'm learning something new from her. And I'm a fun-loving person. I look out goodness in everything. I believe in God. I'm an optimistic person. Once, someone asked Sujata, the popular Tamil writer, what can make a story successful? He said, the story which is very close to reality will definitely become successful. Truth has its own beauty. Good afternoon, Toastmasters. I hail from an interior part in southern Tamil Nadu. Even a satellite will find it difficult to locate my place. I studied in a Tamil medium school, and it's a popular high school in Nadu. During those days, going to school itself was a luxury for the boys and girls around the village. Majority of the students didn't know even ABCD till their middle school. I'm not exaggerating, that was the reality. And one day, when I was studying in 8th standard, my English teacher asked the difference between discovery and invention. I told the answer promptly. He felt very happy. That made my day. And that was my turning point. That's when I found my passion. I started loving English from that day onwards. In the following years, I became the English teacher whenever the teacher was absent. And then I went to US. That's when the real test started. It was a giant leap for me. To America. In India, I managed because I only had to write exams in English. But in US, wherever I go, I have to speak English. English, 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 everywhere. English was chasing me. At one point, I stopped. I couldn't run, and I stopped. I thought, why am I running? I told myself, instead of running away from the problem, just face the problem. Then I joined an English course there. I'm reminded of the movie, English Movies. I saw me in Sridevi. Then I started reading books. I spent most part of my day in Barnes & Noble, the famous chain of bookshops in US. And I came back to India. My chasing English never stopped. I did multiple things. I joined a basic English course. I found it too basic. Then I joined an advanced English course. I found it too advanced. You know what I did next? I started reading Gokulam, the popular children's magazine. My friends used to make fun of me when I read Gokulam, but I found it very informative. I learned a lot from that magazine. People used to say reading Hindu will improve your English. I did that too. Learning never ends. I love to learn. We all know the crowd in T. Nagar Ranganathan Street. If you stand at the beginning of the street, you need not walk it down. The crowd will take you to the place where you want to go. Similarly, if you join a Toastmaster, it will take you to your destination. All you need to do is join Toastmaster. It will take care of the rest. And there is a popular saying, when the student is ready, the teacher appears. I'm ready now. My teacher has already appeared. Toastmaster is my teacher. Finally, you'd be wondering who my best friend is. Of course, it's English. And this is my real story. Truth has its own beauty.